So today we are going to discuss about clauses. So here we have different kinds of clauses are there. The first one is select, second one is where, third one is group by, fourth one is having, next order by, next talk, after that distinct. So these are the clauses available in every relational database. So we will discuss one by one. So first we will see the select. So what is the use of select class? So select class is used to display the data. If we want to retrieve any data from the table, so we have to use the select class. It is used to fetch the data from the table, fetch or retrieve or select, whatever it is maybe. So terminologies are different, but usage is same. So if you want to fetch the data from the table, we have to use a select class. So here see the syntax for the full length of select query. So first we have to select, after that column names, column 1 comma column 2 comma and so on. Next from table name, after that where condition, the next group by, after that having, after that order by. So this is the syntax for full length select query. Select column names from table name, so from the which table we are fetching the data, and if you want to filter any data we have to use where condition, and if you want to do some any aggregate operations we will discuss later. Okay, so we have to use group by. So if you want to filter the aggregate data we can use having. If you want to sorting any data like ascending order or descending order we can use order by class. Okay, so this is the full length select query. See the example. Select star from employee. So I want to fetch the data from employee table. Okay, so by using this select query we will get the data. So see here, so this employee table having how many rows, 14 rows, and how many columns, 8 columns. So like that by using select clause we can fetch the data from the table. So here star, so what is the meaning of the star? So star means retrieve the all the columns. Star means retrieve the all the columns. Whenever if you want to retrieve the all the columns, so no need to specify the all the column names. So instead of that we can use star symbol. Star means retrieve the all the columns. So else if you want to required columns, so you need to specify the selected columns. So for example select employee name comma salary comma department number from employee table. Here I'm not taking any, sorry, I'm not taking all the columns, I am taking only 3 columns from the employee table. Okay na? So here the data will be displayed from the three columns only. So like that, if you want to fetch the all the columns, put the star. Okay na? So otherwise you need to select the required column names. And I will show you full length select query, how to write the full length select query. Select department number, comma, sum of salary from employee table, where department number is equal to 10, group by department number having sum of salary greater than 8,000, order by department number descending order. So this is the full length select query. Here I am taking the two columns from the employee table, and after that I am filtering the data. Okay na? And which data it is, so we will discuss later. And here I am grouping the data here, and I want to group the department values. And next after that I am filtering this column. Okay, and after that the last one is order by department number descending order. Okay na? So this is the full length select query. So this is the result we can get. So department number 10 and sum of salary 8,750. So this is the output we can get, so using this query. Okay na? So now we will see the one by one. So select query is completed. So what is the use of select class? So select class is used to fetch the data from the table, fetch or display or select, whatever it is maybe. So the next one is where. So where class is used to filter the normal rows. It is used to filter normal rows or normal columns. Okay na? So where class is used to filter the normal rows or normal column. See the syntax. Select a star from table name where column name is equal to, you can give any value. Okay, so see the syntax here. So this is the syntax for the where condition. Okay, select a star from table name where column name is equal to value. Here which column, from the which column we want to filter the data. See the example how to filter the data. Select a star from employee where, please observe, so here we have all the departments. from the employee table we have different types of department, like 20 is there, 30 is there, like 10 is there. So now I don't want all the departments. I want to fetch the only some required department, like 30. I want to fetch the data from the 10th department and only. I don't want 20 department, 30 department. So please observe. Okay, na? So we will get only 30 department records only. So using where condition we can filter the data. So see the second one. So if you want to here, please observe here we have different kinds of employee names are there, like Hari, Ward, Martin, Blake, Turner, James. Now we want to get the any particular employee name. So we have to use where condition. Select star from employee where employee name is equal to, for example, Ward I am giving. So it will display the only that record, that particular record only. Okay, na? It will return the only that particular record only. And the next one is, I will show you one more example. Select a star from employee where salary greater than 3000. So here I am filtering the salary column. Please observe the salary column. So these all the salaries more than 3000 only. See here, first salary 3075, second salary 3100, and third salary 5000, and the last one is 3100. So these all salaries more than 3000 only. So like that you need to filter the data by using where condition. Got it? So next we'll see. Next one, group by. So what is the use of group by? So it will combine the duplicate values. It will combine the duplicate values and display unique values. Okay, so it will combine the duplicate values. So from the duplicate values, so it will return the only unique values. So write down the syntax. Select a column name from table name, group by column name. Here carefully observe the syntax. Select column name, whatever the column names you need to require. So put the column names from the table name, from which table you need to fetch the data. After that you need to group by the required column name. See the example. So how to work this group by, I will show you. So here I have some values, like I will take one column. So that column name is department number. So from the department number we have different departments, like 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 10, 30, 20, 20, 10, 10, 30. So this is the input. Okay, na? So this is the column data. So this is the column data. So whenever we are applying the group by, so it will group the unique values. so sorry, duplicate value. For example, so it will group the 10th department one group. Okay na, here, so this one, so this is one group. Okay na, so 10 it will group the 10, it will group the 10th department. Okay na, and here, and it will group the 20 department, it is one group. Okay, and it will group the 30 department one group. Okay na, so here we have lot of duplicate values, and the result it will display only unique values. So from the all the 10s it will display the only 110, and from the all the 20s it will display the only 120, from the all the 30s it will display the 130. So this is the output whenever we are using the group by class. Okay na? So from the all the tens, here how many tens are there? 1 2 3 4 5. From the 5 tens we can get only 110. Okay, here a lot of duplicate values available. So from all these duplicate values we will get only single value after using the group by. So here how many 20s are there? 1 2 3 4, 4 20s. So from the 4 20s we will get only 120, and after that how many 30s are there? 1 2 3. From the 3 30s we will get only 130. So that is the use of group by. So we will see with the example. Select, so same column I am applying. Okay now, on the department column, so here same column only I am applying. Select the department number from employee, group by department number. So here we have duplicate values available like 20 20 20 30 30 10 10 like that. So we can eliminate the duplicate values using group by. So it will display the only distinct values, that means unique values. See here the result 10 20 30. From the all the 10, so we can get only 110, and from all the 20s we can get only 120, from the all the 30s we can get only 130. So that is the use of group by. Understood? And the next, having. So what is the use of having? So having class also use it to same purpose. Okay na, use it to same purpose like where condition. Okay na, so where condition also use it to filter the data, and having also use it to filter the data. So where condition is filter which type of data, and having class use it to filter the which type of data we will discuss. Okay na, so first write down the definition. It is filter aggregate rows and columns. So it will filter the aggregate rows and columns, but please observe here where condition. So what is the use of where condition? It will filter the only normal rows, but having condition, what it will do? It will filter the aggregate rows. So I will show you what is a aggregate row, what is a normal row. Select column 1 comma aggregate function. So here we will take a column from table name group by column 1 having specify the condition. So this is the syntax for the having. Select first you need to take the normal column, and after that take the aggregate column from the table name, use the group by, after the table use the having, you need to put the filter the aggregate column. You can use the specify the condition like use equal to, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, whatever it is maybe. Okay, now see the example. So here select a department number, sum of salary, yes, salary. So this is the alias name, salary is the alias name for this sum of salary. Okay, now here group by department number having sum of salary greater than 8,000. So what is the error here? Invalid column name, department number. So please observe. So here the requirement is so department wise, okay na, department wise sum of salary, and from the sum of salary we will get which sum of salary is greater than 8,000, or I am showing here 9,000. Okay na, so we can get only two salaries. So here please observe, here this is the normal column. So department number is the normal column, sum of salary is the aggregate column. Why? Because here we are using sum. Okay na, here we have different kinds of aggregate functions are there, like we will discuss later. Sum, min, max, average, count, star. So these are the all are aggregate functions. So that's why it is an aggregate column. Sum of salary is the aggregate column, department number is the normal column. So if you want to filter any normal column like department number, so we have to use the where condition. So if you want to filter any aggregate column, we have to use which one? Having. Understood? So where condition is used to filter the normal columns, and having clause used to filter the aggregate column. So that is the use of where and having. Okay, so here we have one important interview question is there. So here write down what is the difference between where and having. The first one is it is used to filter normal rows or normal columns. So here it is used to filter aggregate columns. So this is the first difference. And the second difference, it is used before group by only. So this is the second difference. So here it is used after group by only. So this is the basic differences between where and having. So where condition is used to filter the normal columns, having clause is used to filter the aggregate columns. So always where condition is used to before group by, and having always used to after the group by. So please observe the query here. Observe the query. So here having clause is applicable after group by only. After group by only. Here please observe the this query. So here where condition we are putting the before group by only, and having condition we are putting the after group by only. So this is the syntax. Got it? And the next one, order by. So order by means you are all familiar with sorting. Okay, either ascending order or descending order. So if you want to sorting any data, we have to use the order by clause. It is used to sorting the data based on ascending order or descending order. So here ASC means ascending order, DESC means descending order. So the default order is ascending order. Okay na? So if you want to sorting the data based on the ascending order, no need to specify the ASC keyword. Okay na? Defaultly it will sorting the ascending order only. So if you want to sorting the data based on the descending order, so you need to put the must and should DASC keyword. See the syntax. Select star from employee, order by column name, ascending order or descending order. Okay. So at a time we can use one order by only. Okay na, one order. Okay na. So at a time we cannot use the both. See the examples. Select star from employee, order by salary. So here I am not specifying any order like ascending order or descending order. So I am sorting the data based on the salary column. So please observe the salary column. So first so here which sorting it is, ascending order or descending order? Ascending order, right? So here first 900, 950, 1200, 1250. So like that the data will be sorting based on the ascending order. Here no need to specify the ascending keyword. You want to, you can mention the ASC keyword, not a problem. Okay. So the second one is the descending order. Select star from employee, order by salary. So descending order. If you want to sorting the data descending order, so must and should you need to specify the DESC keyword. So please observe. So first it will display the 5000, after that 3000, after that 2000, after that 1000 and 900. So like that it will display the descending order. See the one more example. Select star from employee, order by employee name. So I want to display the sorting order based on the employee name. Here first King is there, so based on the salary column, right? So please observe Adam, Blake, Clark. So first what is the first letter? Based on the alphabetic it will sorting. First Adam, next Blake, Clark, Ford, Harry, James, like that it will display the ascending order. So if you want to display the data descending order, so first it will take Ward, Turner, Smith, Scott, Miller. So like that it will display the data. So please observe. So here one more thing is there. So here I am sorting the data based on the column name. Okay na, here salary is the column name. Okay na, employee name is the column name. So instead of the column name you can put the column number also. You can put the column number also. So please observe. Select star from employee, order by. So what is the salary column number? For example, so this is the first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, sixth column. So if you want to sorting the data based on the sixth column, that is salary column. Okay na, descending order. So please observe. So it is sorting the data based on the salary column. So no need to specify the salary column. So you need to specify the salary column number. So based on the number only we can sorting the data also. Select star from employee, order by 1. So 1 means employee number. Okay na? So based on the employee number we will sorting the data here. Please observe, based on the employee number only we can sorting the data. So like that, so you can take column names or you can take column numbers also. Got it? And the next one is top. So what is the use of top class? So top class is used to fetch the top values or bottom values. For example, I want to fetch the top 10 records, I want to fetch the top 100 records, or I want to fetch the bottom 5 records or bottom 10 records. So at that time we can use the top keyword. It is used to fetch the top values or bottom values. See the syntax. Select top, you can give the number, whatever the number you want, you can give the number. Next, column name from table name. This is the syntax for the top. Select a top, number, column name from table name. Select, I want to fetch the top 5 values. Fetch top 5 values. Select top 5 star. Star means all the columns from employee table. So please observe. So these are the 5 records, top 5 records. Now please observe. Select star from employee. So please observe. So these are the top 5 records. So Smith, Hurry, Ward, Jones, Martin. Here also please observe. Smith, Hurry, Ward, Jones, Martin. Okay na? So like that we can get the top values. For example, I want to fetch the top 2 records. So we can use top keyword. And the second one is I want to fetch the bottom 5 records. Bottom 5 values or bottom 5 records. Then how to do that? Any idea? Anybody having idea? So here there is no bottom keyword. We have only top keyword. Yes, correct. So specify the descending order. Select top 5 star from employee, order by employee number, descending order. So it will display the bottom 5 records. So please observe Miller, Ford, James, Adams, Turner. So now check the with table data. Sorry. Please observe. So here Turner, okay na, and Adams, James, Ford, Miller, okay na. So these are the bottom 5 records. So here also please observe. So Miller is there, and Ford, James, Adams, Turner. So these are the bottom 5 records. So like that, if you want to fetch the top records or bottom records using top keyword. So this is the regarding about top keyword. And the next we will see the last one is distinct. So it will display the unique values. Display the unique values. Display the unique values. That means it cannot allow the duplicate values. So it can return the only unique values. See the syntax. Select the distinct column name from table name. Please observe. So here I am taking employee table. So here I am taking same department and number column. Why? Because here we have duplicate values from the department column. Select department number. So distinct department number from employee. Okay, we can get only 10, 20, 30. Okay, na? So here previously we are using only one more query also. If you want to get the unique values, which query we are using? Previously, just now we were discussed about. So if you want to get the distinct values, yes, yes, correct. Okay, na? So group by and distinct also use it to same purpose. Okay, now if you want to get the unique values, we can use the both one, distinct or group by. So sometimes interview are asking, so how to get the distinct values without using distinct keyword. So at that time you can use the group by class. Okay, na? So this is the regarding about clauses. Understood?